In the heart of Israel's dynamic economy lies a tapestry of industries, each facing unique challenges shaped by the country's geography. Israel's key industries, which include diamond cutting, pharmaceuticals, agriculture, textiles, rely on efficient material transfer and infrastructure maintenance. Introducing EDDY Pump, the solution to Israel's industrial challenges. EDDY Pump offers state-of-the-art slurry pumps and dredging equipment tailored to uplift Israel's crucial sectors. EDDY Pump provides versatile solutions for Israel's diverse industries, from submersible slurry pumps to self-priming pumps and flooded suction pumps. Israel's industries face challenges ranging from sedimentation in coastal areas to precision waste material management in diamond cutting. EDDY Pump's tailored solutions address these challenges, ensuring seamless material flow and operational resilience for Israel's key sectors. With strategic locations in Jerusalem, Ramat Gan, Haifa, and Tel Aviv, EDDY Pump stands ready to support Israel's industries with cutting-edge equipment and expertise. Choose EDDY Pump for immediate access to transformative solutions, and let's navigate Israel's industrial landscape together. Contact us today. We pump solids, not water.